Welcome back, guys. What's up? Finally, I've washed my hair. I washed Junior hair yesterday, so time to my own wash. Finally, I've washed my hair. So I have to make sure I pull it out, guys. If I don't pull it out, I go do something else, and it now got enough wash. I'm now wash my hair in the night. So finally, I go wash my hair. We're not going with today. We go down and have a blessed day. See it. They are doing gonna work and I have some bouquets to finish up, but take a break from that for a minute and just take a 5 so I go wash my hair and plait it up. So maybe we just do some big twists like about this size tonight. I don't know yet. Let me see how I feel when I finish. I have to blow it out and put in whatever else tonight. So we will see what they take on. Guys, me don't want to say no I'm a prank Junior. I try. And him try prank me. Everything when come with, me know say a prank. Everything when me come with, him know say a prank. So I have to get him good. So if you have any good suggestions, right, when you can leave them in the comments below. Cause him now, as me say, him now read the comment them. Him I got hear this, but him not read the comment them. Or you just inbox me on my Instagram. Just inbox me when I have in store on the Instagram, right? So if you have anything, any idea when you think might catch him, because me not easy to catch. I am not easy to catch. And him the easy to catch. Me try things and me I tell you, no matter what I try now work. But did have this one prank that I did on him with a guy where me tell him say this person who knows I like me and things. So me put the phone for record. It was before me get this one. I put the phone for record, but I put it in the clothes basket. So you know the basket them have a look old. So I put it in the basket and so I go left it there so because it could have catch the bed and everything. And you know so the guy like me and think anytime you hear about the guy or you go see him, it just yes you see it. So me ran the day at the time, so I tell Ren I say, alright, yo, we are gonna do. I'm gonna change your number, your name, and I film in my phone to the guy's name. And want you text me. But when want you text me, I said to me, say, you know, come give me some more of that something there. You know, come give me some more of the P, you see it. And he actually, she write the word and just don't want to say it. So she say, yeah man, that bad, but you sure him not know? Me say him not gonna know because him not expect that. So I put my phone on the TV, tell him say, alright, come here watch a movie. Guys, I can watch the movie on the phone, on the TV, but I choose to use my phone because sometimes I use the TV buffer a bit. So it's easy I use my phone. So I set it up on the TV and the guy text like, and my sister, you know, text and I go outside. So him read the message and I know say him read it because when I come back in, they know the thing up at the top gone. So I know him read it. I don't say anything to him. And she did there text. So somebody did come outside to her. She tap off the whole thing. Somebody come outside to her, delivery guy, because she buy some food. And we stay so boom in the room. And she did want me help. Ask where how much it did come to her or something like that. So she called me. The call when she called me up on WhatsApp, the phone ring and come up with the guy name and him picture as me set it. I said the man get up, him get begs the man come on man. I said, Kian, what you have to tell me? You have something you want to tell me? I said something I want to tell you with what? Man start get so upset. I'm dead, I dry it out, him start get vexed. So I must play I played me. This is before, this is when I just start. This is before I upload my first video and I got this that was supposed to be the first video. And him run out of the room and him shout out to my sister, "Where your number go? Tell me your number. So she ordered like idiot, never know what to tell him the number, and him come back in. She tell him alright number before she make up the number. And him come back in and him say, hey, your sister love ram. When the love ram, I start dead laugh or something, take out the camera, and I look the camera say, phone too hot, could not record. The only thing we record was when we just come in the room and then sit down on the bed and shake because him upset from them time there. So it never get for record. It never get for record. It would have been such a good prank because me I tell you, me get him good, me I tell you man. Me get him. But me I tell you, I try after that with so many others, him try and it just now work. It now work. But if you don't have any ideas as me say, you can leave them down below in the comment section and you can inbox me the ideas, them and make me see how best me can try pull them off upon him. You see it. So I go wash me here. Yeah, I wash me here.
got is naturally high. Can't eclipse the sun with my energy. I'm catastrophically hot, I'm supernova. I'm hotter than the sun, I'm taking over. I won't allow you to wash my brain. Get away, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I really feel like fly. Come on, let's spread your wings and fly. Liberate yourself, my people, and fly.
I'm flying, dreaming, with my eyes open in love. It's like I'm soaring on the wings of a million doves. Yes, I'm sure I was. Whether summer, winter, spring, or whether it is fall, I never fall in love. I always stand true in all. I know for certain.
Sometimes I really got to fly.
Yes, I wanna fly. Yes, I wanna
Spread your
fly.
wings and fly. Liberate yourself, my people, and fly. I gotta free my mind and don't lose control. And I will never ever lose my soul. My life worth more than silver and gold. Can't even be bought nor sold. See them up and down and all around. I'm inside out and I'm up and down. Starlight's blazing from the ground. I gotta free all chains and bound. I really feel like I can fly. Oh yes, I feel like fly.
Yes, I wanna fly. Yes, I wanna
Spread your
fly.
wings and fly. Liberate yourself, my people, and fly. I fell from the ground, I landed to the sky. Some people only wish they could be like me. My power level that I got is naturally high. I can't eclipse the sun with my energy. I'm catastrophically hot, I'm supernova. I'm hotter than the sun, I'm taking over. I won't allow you to wash my brain. Get away. Yeah, I really feel like I can fly. Oh yes, I feel like fly.
Yes, I wanna fly. Yes, I wanna
Spread your
fly.
wings and fly. Liberate yourself, my people, and fly.
So yes guys, I finished my ear finally. I'm gonna do it fine, I'm gonna do it big this time. So now I go to the front, go meet Junior, see my call me too. So yes, I him just call me. No, from what him tell me say if leave out, I give him time because I know say I have to go out the road, go wait, and I still I go reach out the road before him. Unless I call a while ago and say I'm going to taxi it, unless I lie my tell and him out the road already. Still feel weird I walk attack on the camera and pass people and them look at me like so when I reach out the road, we go over Linton, I'm going to look for some stuff, try to see what I can get for whatever I tell them I have in store for January. So try to get some of my stuff them. Plus a friend of mine, so she want get a little, do a little get together type thing like for Christmas, so I'm going to look into that as well. So we touch back base again, don't know? Oh, Mr. Junior. Look who I find.
Hello. I was found by the river.
Look word. Him carry cane for me. So I know which one I'm woman them give him cane.
Sugar cane.
Because every time him carry home something from work, he tell me say one woman give him. One old woman, one young woman, one in between woman. I give him these things.
I feel big woman like my grandmother age.
You don't even know what to say. So when I'm in lie, you don't even know what to say. So I walk over Linton. No problem when I tell them so I come over Linton. Finally I reach over the look full.
Christmas time, man.
Forgot all that.
December time. For them time of the year.
Sometimes I really feel like I could fly. Sometimes I feel like I could fly. Come on and spread your wings and fly. Liberate yourself, my people, now and I fell from the ground, I landed in the sky. Some people only wish they could be like me. My power level that I got is naturally high. Can't eclipse the sun with my energy. I'm catastrophically hard, I'm supernova.
Yeah, 40 foot. Yeah, people, so reach back across the road, can free that road like puss. Ninja. Free that road.
Guys. I say, guys, come. When you see how I come here and do that, don't even say pin them about it. Some of my come here.
I was going to say something, you know.
Some of my hair look nice.
Yeah, me can't hold it cause me look like me too tall, so she too short. So she now get caught in the frame.
Nothing, no, sir.
I was about to say something here, but then she said something to me, then it just totally threw me off.
Lie.
Oh, you know that?
You just never gonna say anything. Just never gonna say anything.
Hey people, I'm telling you something. This is food for thought. You see, lack of communication or poor communication is a hell of a thing. You know what I say? Today, yeah? Them send me to Spanish town, go do beer work. So I go over there, go drop off some paperwork, isn't it? Me specifically ask the supervisor to send me. Say, forgot Spanish town. I said to him, say, go on payroll, go on HR, and where else? I think I just them two places. He tell me say if I go. If I ask them if they have anything to go over the head office. So me go so boom. Go to the two places them and send me to go. I said to him say, I forgot stores as well. He said, nah man, stores don't want nothing. I say, alright, because I don't want to go a Spanish town, and when I go to Spanish town, I have to go come back, I have to go back, you know. He said, nah man. So boom. Go for the paperwork. Shot, go to Spanish town. Go to Spanish town, me over there for about an hour and a half, deal with whatever. Come back. I put more. For now, when a different supervisor now, by the time he come back a different supervisor on the shift, I'm going to make me know say, brother, how you got Spanish town and I got a store? I say, the man who sent me originally tell me say them now are not stores. Nah man, I forgot stores. So you know we end up to go back to stores, to collect some other things and go back to Spanish town. So I said that to say this. Make sure I say we have good communication. Anywhere on the day. I could have even in no house now. Good communication is key. Jesus.
People always a complaint in their work and have nothing to do. Just think get something to do, they know. Go on Spanish town 2 times. What happens? Then go Spanish town 2 times.
Cha. You know, it work out for me in a sense because I kill half the time when I have a work. But the thing is, when you got a corporate, whole heap of work. Because you have to climb whole heap of steps.
Alright, a step you're bad about?
Yeah, boy.
You're unfit.
Me unfit. I acknowledge that. Yes. So that's why me a complain.
For no good exercise.
Yeah, yeah.
Evening. No good exercise for him.
Me not say
So
no.
just sing him and just sing and never evening he say.
Well, wherever him say it's sound like evening, right? So could I even sing evening time?
I don't know we people
Yeah,
are mad for that.
Oh well. You say me I say people, so please, when you communicate properly. And any supervisor or boss who watch the video, when you communicate when you work at them properly.
Yes. Pass a while ago and see some people and them say me and Junior favor. So they must say, oh, long on the day that's why in favor though. Say yeah man. Long. Let me tell you something. You see?
This thing I get out of hand.
Wait, what getting out of hand?
We need to either start bleach or something
Why?
so me can not look like you. So.
Anyway. You know I fool be a fool shut up.
No, but I'm not lie. Can. Everybody say me in your favor.
But look, you know see one time when I have somebody who you know
Oh, me in your favor? Me in your favor?
ladies say yes. When you're with somebody for a long time, it's like when you start drawing each other look. Let me tell you now, me use it and mark. You see from somebody, I used to do somebody there, and them start look like brother and sister, the relationship will last. Come like a them God make for them each other. Come like God make them special for them each other. You so. Oh my God. Sure, you know what I want to feel.
Me sister choke.
You know if I went in a show, I'm not trying to hold it. Yo, I was saying, remember I said them, sir?
The woman who used to give me a wobe, she wobe you.
Christ. No, you there now. They always get things down here and they always are obey
It's
me.
buy me kid.
Don't believe it. Me never see some. I don't know. Anyways, again. Remember, you know, so them say, them take Adam rib and make Eve. So Eve favor Adam. So when you and your partner together and it's on favor on each other, you know, say it's real
Are
because
you saying that you're Eve?
because a junior rib, them use make me.
Oh.
So if you and your partner look alike or anything like that, and you know, if they together for long, people always say, you don't look alike you, brother and sister. And use your partner rib to make you. I don't know if what me I say make no sense, but it makes sense to me, so that's all that matters.
Yes. I am Adam. And she's Eve.
No, I'm Karen. Idiot.
You call idiot.
Yo. You're my Adam, I'm your Karen. So guys, unfortunately, I forgot to end the video because my phone is dead. Come here, I'm tired. The place hot. The little breeze now blow through them just still. Look there. No little breeze. Oh my gosh.
I just suck you and perspire enough for that people.
Actually, that's why my head so quick. So here me a ball again. So give till the end of the week before me a ball again so my head sore. Come and sweat hard. Look how much you have. Guys, about 2.5 years or 3 years now me grow me hair from bald it scarlet.
Yeah, I feel me one stunted.
So me I tell you say, it's hard to comb and wash. I wash and comb too natural here. You see it? So
Stunted brother, you know how long me I grow from him Kaya Bush.
that's true. About from in the growing here before me know him. It is short and picky. And the head back that peel out and the side that peel
So
out.
that's how picky.
Yeah, it is short and picky.
So right now hand picky now?
Yes, when me just know you idiot, it is short and picky. Me have pictures can prove. Yeah. Me have pictures can prove them ear the short and picky.
Whatever.
The whole head back did picky and the side them ear saw him ear the barber bring it all the way and I
Bruh,
make like
it never
head.
picky. Yeah, the barber just fade off too much of the thing.
So it's barber right after the head back.
Picky, different than fade.
Guys, him never have no ear round him head back.
And me plant and treat and take care of here, make it see here what it is now. So you go on bad mind and see if God make it drop off. So guys, thank you for watching. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.
You don't know. Boom bang bang.
And as we always say,
Stay
stay
safe.
safe. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. The video already, but I just get bad up by one of my little friend them. Say, Auntie K, you have to shout me out. You're going to shout me and I go vex. So, I tell her, say, alright, I'm going to shout her out. So, Daniel Lewis, big up yourself, alright, mom? Say, yeah, so I'm going to shout you out.